This is going to be a video product review of the FITINDEX Vibrating Peanut Massage Ball. The FITINDEX electric massage ball is a vibrating massage ball with 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. It is used for deep tissue massage, for fitness, for yoga, for relaxing the muscles in the back and the shoulders. The FITINDEX deep tissue massage ball can be used for relaxing the muscles in your neck, in your shoulders, in your arms, on your face, myofascial release. You can use it on your feet to relax the pain from plantar fasciitis. You can use this like you would use any other roller, except the advantage of the FITINDEX roller is that it has a power cord to charge it up. It is 3 sections, so you can put 1 foot on one side, 1 foot on the other, and you have control of getting massaged with a 3-position ball instead of the standard ones that are just 1 roller and not 3. With the FITINDEX massage ball, you get up to 120 minutes of massage therapy, and it has an auto shutoff mode. It is portable. It's very easy to take with you to work or on travel or to the office. So this is the charger, the standard USB charger with a AC adapter dongle. If you've ever used a massage roller before, you know these things are incredible. You can lie down, put this on the floor, lie down, turn this thing on, and you can roll this from the top of your spine all the way down to your back. And the advantage is that you will get massage therapy on both sides of the spine, and this will make sure that it doesn't irritate anything in the center. You can use this on your legs if you're a bike rider, a cyclist, somebody who works out in the gym. These are really good for using on the back of your legs. You will not believe how tight and sore your legs are until you use a massage roller. These are great if you have problems with your hips, if you have hip flexor problems. Put this on your buttocks area, you will get immediate relief. These are wonderful if you have tightness in the hands or in the arms. This is a great product, so let me show you how this works now. I will be leaving an order link in the video description. Make sure you click on it. It's an Amazon affiliate link. It will take you right to Amazon. You can purchase this today. The price is very reasonable. It's a good product. Let me show you how it turns on. It comes already charged, but if you need to charge it, you just take the charging cable, plug it into there. So I said we have 4 speeds. We have M1, M2, M3, M4. Now this thing has a massive amount of power, and that's what you want from a massage roller. It's very, very relaxed, very light. So if you have a gentle body or you don't want a lot of pressure, I feel the main impact right now is in the center. It's mild on the sides. We'll press it again, we'll go to M2. You can hear it. Now it's starting to vibrate more. This feels wonderful. This is a wonderful product from FITINDEX. M3, we've got some serious power now. Great for massage. And then let's go to all 3 of them on. See that? Hear that? All 3 of them on. Kicks on, kicks off. On, off. And then you press the button, hold it down, and it turns off. So I'm going to show you one example of using this on the foot, just so you can get an idea of what this is used for, how it's used. So this is an example of M1. Oh, does this feel incredible. I've got it on the floor now. It feels really nice. For me, it's very relaxing, it's very mild, it's very comfortable. And now I'm going to go over to M2 setting. Oh, that feels good. I love a massage ball that has a lot of power in it. I just like strong massage. I'm going to go to M3, pressing the button again. And then we'll go to M4, which is really not M4, it's just the intermittent. It goes on, it goes off. It feels to me like that might be the setting for M1, maybe M2. It's a more mild massage, and let me show you what else it can do. So the nice thing, as I told you before, is you've got independence on the left and the right, so you've got enough room to put this on the floor and get both of your feet on there. Oh my God, this is so wonderful. I'm sitting in the chair, leaning back, and I'm getting a massage that's going all the way from my feet up to my knees and a little bit to the thighs. Very relaxing. Let's try this on the M3 and see how much more intense it is. I can hear it, I can feel it. It feels wonderful. Oh yes, 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 yes. And something like this is perfect. You don't have to do this sitting in a chair. Put this on the bed, lay down on the bed, and just kick back and get a massage for 120 minutes of time once the battery is charged up. This is a wonderful product from FITINDEX, the electric massage ball. Make sure you purchase this today. Check out the order link in the video description and click on it. It will take you straight to Amazon. One more thing I want to add. I just used this for about 5 minutes and I stood up and all the pain and tightness in my lower back is completely gone. You don't realize it until you massage your body, until you massage your feet and your legs, how tight the muscles are in your legs, and they can help with some back pain and back tightness. When the hamstrings are relaxed, when the glutes are relaxed, you feel much better. You definitely want to purchase this.